Hello dear embroidery friends. With this little video we would like to show you today how the embroidery applications from LunaChild are embroidered. We will show you step by step how you can achieve a good result. But first, read the description and use the right materials, embroidery needle and thread gauges. Let's begin. First we have to prepare our material. We use a suede imitation and a thin fabric fleece for ironing, so that the fabric does not warp during embroidery. Then we clamp everything in the embroidery hoop. We now embroider the outline of the applique on our embroidery surface so that we can see later how the applique fabric needs to be positioned. By the way, the machine stops by itself with every step, so you can take your time to carry out the individual steps. We can now put on our imitation fur. To fix it, you can pin it with pins. However, you must make sure that your needles do not cross the path of your machine. For the sake of simplicity, we like to use a masking tape, which works in most cases as well. Now you can sew on your applique fabric. We also embroider the color of the eyes in the middle, which brings some stability to the project. Now you can take the hoop out of the machine to cut out your applique. The cut should be close to the seam. Fine and very sharp scissors will make your work much easier. When you are done with that, we can start with the actual embroidery. Now let's let the machine work. The files we create are often very detailed, which ensures a realistic result. LunaChild embroidery files have significantly more stitches than a simple embroidery design, and you'll also need more time depending on the machine you're using. But your result will be very convincing. It is important that you stick to the thread and needle sizes that can be found in all our offers. If you use the wrong material, you will have problems embroidering. For example, the thread can break or the needle breaks off, and in the end the embroidery result is not satisfactory. But that's not because of the file. Dear embroidery enthusiasts, this was our little video on the subject of embroidery applications. LunaChild.com offers countless other files for your embroidery machine. From monochrome, to multicolored designs, to embroidery applications, you will find everything at LunaChild.com. If you prefer to buy your files through Etsy.com, no problem, because you will also find the embroidery files from LunaChild here. Another important note. For most downloads of LunaChild embroidery files, we have also added a light version. This is less detailed, but with fewer stitches it is also easier to embroider with older machines. We wish you a lot of fun embroidering and hopefully see you soon at LunaChild.com.